Good day, guys. I show you guys this trade, this particular trade on my live video when I did this video right here. Yeah, this video I show you this market when market was there. Like this is where market closed on Friday, and when market opened, this happened before London session on Monday. So I think I've already showed you guys how I did the analysis for this trade. But I can still do it again though. I can still do it again. This is where I took buy and market took me out. Market took me out. And when I do the analysis for sell, I see like when market get to this demand zone, market shift occur, this is change of character. This is the last low to this demand zone. Let me take off this. Yeah, this is the last low to this demand zone and market took it out. Even break of structure occur and market creates liquidity. Let's go to 1 minute for clearer view. Yeah, market creates liquidity. So after the change of character, this is the last structure. This is the structure that caused the change of character. That shows to me that seller are still in the market. That's why I look for sell opportunity. You know, when when these candlesticks, when they take out this last low to this supply zone, I look for sell opportunity immediately. A market creates liquidity. Market do this. I told you guys before market get back to this order flow, order flow that caused this. This is the last structure. That last structure that caused, break of structure or that caused change of character. That's what they call order flow. So when market do this, I said like I wrote it down that I'm going to wait for clear change of character, before I take action. And that is what exactly I did. When market get here, this is the last low to this order flow, and I wait for the market to take it out. You know, I wait for the market to take it out, and this is another structure. I explained this to you guys. If market, do this, before market get break change of character or weak of structure and market reverse, that retracement is liquidity. Like I always fall for this trap, a couple of times before. I'll be like this is the last I'll be like this is the last structure, that caused this change of character. I will not take a trade from here. Even market still creates liquidity. I will place a trade right here. And here even get order block. It get everything that will make you fall for this trap. So that's it. I will place a trade right here. Like right here, I will place a trade. Yeah, and I'll be wondering why market took me out if market did this. Like I'll be like I will place my stop loss, probably above here, like because of I want my stop loss to tighten now and I will target my previous take profit. And I'll be wondering why market take me out, all this movement. Market will take me out. So this movement here is a trap. That's the liquidity. You guys should be careful for it. So if you go to 5 minutes, you will see clearer that this is the main structure that caused this market shift, this change of character. Yeah, as you can see, guys, this is the main structure. All this movement here is just a trap. You see, as market, fall down, like this movement, like you feel like oh, market is moving your way. Before you see market will take you out. You'll be wondering why you were left out before all this movement. That's a trap, that's liquidity. This is the main structure that caused this change of character, when market get to this order flow. And I take out those liquidity and I place my order. And my other trigger that was on Friday, and that this movement occur. And market, was market closed around this area. It closed around this when market open, market shift occur right here. Now market went back up to this other flow that caused this market shift. Now this is the last low to this other flow. Now market shift occur right here as well. If you go to 1 minute, when market is going up, market is the last low to this other flow, to this my other flow where I place my order. And the market shift occur. Market take out this last low, and there's liquidity as well. Now market went back up to the structure. There's structure. If I go to 1 minute, I don't want to go to 1 minute anymore. Like market shift occur right here, and there's the other flow that causes this market shift, and another market shift occur. This is the last flow to this other flow. And if you see the way I'm explaining, like you will notice, like I always make use of order flow. Like that's the last structure to change of character. That's the last structure to change of character. So you have to take note of that, guys. And market did this, and it my take profit. That was before London. I saw good today. When market get to this 15 minutes. Yeah, there's other block here in 15 minutes, and that area sweep liquidity. And there's another liquidity right here, this area. There's liquidity right here. And when market did this, is in this structure. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, in this structure, this is the last low to this area. And when market is going on, market creates two structure, and I make use of this structure. When market take it out, I see this movement and I have to follow it. Um, I didn't wait enough. I did not wait enough. I should have wait for market to take out this main low. And I think I deserve this last. I deserve it because I was so impulse, like that shouldn't have happened to me. This loss shouldn't have happened to me. And market went back up to this demand zone here in 15 minutes. There's demand zone here in 15 minutes. Sorry, supply zone. Supply There's supply zone here in 15 minutes and market shift occur. There's market shift right here in, let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm waiting for another setup though. I'm waiting for another sell opportunity though. That's why I did this analysis. Market shift occur right here. This is the high, low, high, low, high. This is the last low to this 15 minutes supply zone. And there's fair value gap right here. So you can see this fair value gap. So I'm expecting market to go back to this fair gap. And if you go to 15 minutes, this is the last low to this 15 minutes order block. And this is the structure, last structure. Market is making use of the area right now. Probably want to make use of it as a liquidity. Market might break this low. And if market break this low, that's hard to my conference, to look for sell opportunity. And I will look for sell opportunity right here. Right here. Though I don't know yet. There is fair value gap right here, and I'll place my stop loss above that high, and I will target probably this low or below it. I don't know yet. I don't know yet because this area, no market have mitigated this area. There's this area right here, or this area. So let's. I'm waiting for confirmation though. Let's wait, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press your subscribe button. Peace.